It's our third day in Bangkok and I'm done with my base makeup. We are both getting ready to leave in about like 10-15 minutes, and I want to try the new serum tint oil that I bought yesterday. It is in shade number 2 called Magic Peach. Completely new. I really hope it looks good on me. Got our crispy pork with the sauce. Condiments are there. We are waiting for our mains.
I think try without first.
Famous kuayjab. Our loots so far. Just walking around trying to find card holders and oh, bags in front. We are at After You right now. Just gonna have our desserts first after shopping. Finally reached Emsphere after half an hour of jam. We are tired, but I do want to walk around and see if there's anything else to buy. This is one of my must-gets, so I got myself a 6-piece. Butterbear. This is also one of the spots that I wanted to stop at. They are selling a lot of the merch now, so I'm just going to go in and take a look. This is currently what they have, I believe. Their stuff are pretty expensive, so I'll just go in to browse and see what they have. I also like some of their bakes. I like that one. This box. I bought it last time, I believe. I haven't tried their fresh bakes yet. I plan to get one of this. I want to get this one. Get this one. Got my butterbear, and now we are at the atrium. Yang is getting a bit peckish, so he wants something to eat. Some Japanese curry. Is that chicken katsu or pork katsu? Pork katsu. We got it from Maji curry. And my haul from Butterbear includes the Oreo brownie cheesecake, which I ate last time and I really liked. And I also bought the blind bag, and I bought the palmiers this time. We're going to do an unboxing of the blind box. So these are the blind box charms. There are 3 designs and 1 secret one. The one I want to get is most probably the vanilla one, if not the the strawberry one. Not so keen on the chocolate one, but we'll see. I hope I'll get the one that I want. Oh.
Sorry?
I didn't see it. See it?
Sorry.
I got the one that I wanted. I knew it. My hands are super good, okay? I got the vanilla one, which is the one that I wanted. Yay! Okay, I'll hang this on my new bag. I'm going to open this now. Can you eat this after your curry? Can, right? Wow. Got the chatramue, got one in original, and one in green. At Girly and the Muscle Academy. And right beside it is Frank. Frank also has quite cute. Seek and Keep Club is also quite interesting. There's a lot of toys. We made our way to IKEA and looked at the food offerings. Oh my god, it's so worth it. For ourselves, cheese fries with fried shallots. We are now at Healthland for a massage. We are just waiting. We paid already. We're waiting for them to call our names. For the traditional Thai massage, it's 2 hours.
For 700.
2 hours for 700 baht. We got brought to the waiting area. We're probably going to take off our shoes. And they're going to give us some slippers. They gave us a couple rooms, so they gave us some clothes to get changed into as well. Post massage, and I feel very refreshed. My shoulders have never felt better, never felt lighter. But I think
I could still crack my neck, so it's not.
he can still crack his neck, so he feels like he could have a better experience.
Yes.
They give us tea after that. We are now at Jodd. This is the one at Ratchada. There's a lot of food stalls. It's like a pasar malam basically. I also almost fell off my bike while alighting. I didn't realize that there was a slope, so almost tripped, but I'm okay. Everything's good. Just got moving. Kind of vibe. There's like prawns, squid, probably mussels somewhere. I saw it in the photo lah. Done with my nails. I'm walking over to Big C that's place, Ratchada. It's like a hypermart here instead of the one that we went yesterday. My nails look great. It's actually like, I think it's the same color that I painted over at Nicole's house. But it kind of dropped off because we didn't prep my nails properly. So now I've got it settled. Okay, this is the close-up. I think she did such a good job like prepping my nails and stuff. And it was only 200 baht for this like basic set. This place is huge. It's a mega mart. We just ordered from 3 different restaurants. And they're all coming hopefully almost at the same time.
Maybe all at the same time.
Yeah. Yay! Got our coffee.
Oh, it's they put it together.
Yeah. Oh. What did you order?
I ordered Americano with orange.
Oh, okay. I got myself a mocha. Okay, it's super cool because they separated the ice from the actual coffee itself. So you're supposed to pour it into the cup. We got our KFC. Okay, so we're back in our rooms and we're just going to put the coffee into the cups now. It's super filled with ice though. Oh, this is also sealed, so you have to tear it open. Wow.
This is nice of them.
Okay. This is so cool. I've never seen coffee delivered like that before. Taste test. Very chocolatey. I like it. Oh. And here's our KFC. We ordered this Snackers box or something like that. And it had quite a lot of things in it. They also gave us barbecue sauce. Yeah, barbecue sauce. And chili. Okay, let's open it up to see how it looks like. Ooh, okay, we have our fries. Oh, it's so nice of them to use this paper to separate the grease paper.
It's more sauces here.
Ooh, here it is. I see the nuggets, I see the wings. I see the chicken bites. Trying out the chicken bits. I like it. This with their chili sauce. Oh! It's Thai sweet chili.
It's not spicy.
Yeah, it's not spicy. I know I look very puffy right now because we just woke up and then we already ordered all of these fried food and stuff. But oh my god, these drumlets are crazy good. It reminds me of like the McDonald's McCrispy, but it's definitely like not oily. It doesn't feel oily at all, and the seasoning is done so well, and the crunch is great. Just dipped it with a bit of sauce. Okay, Wang just came up with our last order. This is phed mak, which is the basil pork rice. So it's pork and less spicy, and it comes with a huge duck egg. My first bite. I think it's not as sweet as I expected it to be. And I like it a bit sweeter. And it feels a bit drier. But maybe after I mix it with the egg, it'll be a lot yummier. Okay, we're checking out now. This is my fit with my bag and butterbear. immigration, so we are going over to our gate, which is S112A. I think the airport lounge is just nice also there.
Airport.
Heading over to the lounge. We just alighted from the little shuttle train. This is the 4th floor and we are trying to find the lounge now. Is that the one? Yes, it is. Okay. It is really very empty. Even like downstairs, there's barely anyone here. So we are going to try the first class lounge, and if we have more stomach space or if we have more time, then we'll go and look at the business class lounge. Got in, it's very quiet. Okay, we're gonna take a seat here, taking a look at their food offerings. What's this?
Spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti. Gonna grab some juice. Is it yummy? Making myself a Coke fit. Myself in the back. It's quite frozen. Is complete. We just left Miracle Lounge and we are trying to head over to the other side, which is the main part of the airport, so that we can try out the Air France Lounge. Finally found it. It's in the main building, but if you want to get here from where we were before, you have to go through another round of security checks. Okay. Got myself all the desserts. Eat my macarons now. To our gate with some time to spare. Oh my god, I have a pimple. We are on the plane, waiting for the plane to depart. First time taking night race. Heading over to the Changi lounge after touching down. He ordered a laksa, I ordered tom yum soup, and we also have beer. Yum! Craft beer.